Welcome to my channel, Sampurna Engineering. We are making a series on how to identify a quality problem so that you can design a product out of it. To identify a quality problem, you should be a good observer. Let us see one more problem in this series, how to identify a quality problem. क्योंकि बहुत बार बच्चे ऐसा बोलते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करो ऐसे तो हर कोई बोलता है लेकिन कोई बताता नहीं कि कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें सो वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट टू सम एक्सटेंट कैसे प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करें एज अ डिजाइनर हाउ यू कुड बी अ गुड ऑब्जर्वर सो दैट you can identify a niche area where you can work on. Cities have large number of vendors who move around selling various commodities. Due to the lack of dedicated space to sell, many vendors prefer to move around using hand carts and other accessories. Design a system or a set of accessories to be used along with the existing bicycle, which the vendor may have, which the vendor can use to move around and sell toys for kids. So he is selling toys to the kids. So you need to design a display as well as to prevent that display from the thunder showers, to prevent it from any such damage while traveling. All these concerns you need to take into account. And then that display must engage the crowd that is the targeted audience. They must be attracted towards the vendor's bicycle so that he can sell them the products. The vendor should be able to display and sell the products when stationary or parked, as well as pack up and move. Consider ease of assembly, the material and manufacturing processes, ease of use, user-friendly display, so that engagement of the user with the display may happen. Ease of opening and packing it up so that it can fold and then he can wrap up his all business and he can go to his home. So these are all constraints, and depending on that constraints, you need to produce with some of the set of accessories or the bicycle itself, design a system for this. This is how the problem needs to be identified. What would be observed? What the evaluator will see? As a designer, what they will see? Originality and innovative use of materials in the constrained situations. How you are going to use the extensive materials which are readily available, and the cost involved will be somewhat less to spend. Ability to understand the need of the seller and the buyer in the given situation. Appropriateness of the material and the processes, the assembly, manufacturing process, its deployment, and the transportation issues. Ability to articulate the design decisions and effectiveness of the presentation. So all these aspects will be seen from the evaluator's perspective. So you, as a designer, you apply your mind for this problem and how you can make a showcase in front of the kids so that they will get engaged with this activity and the vendor could sell the products to the kids. This is what the assignment for you. If you could able to design such type of a vehicle, then comment in the chat box so that we can appreciate your suggestions. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. Thank you for joining.